Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive right in and learn how to build a video production workflow in Airtable. This is your go-to guide for 2025 and beyond. Let's get started. Our first step is to create a base in Airtable. Now, why is this important? Well, a base acts as a central location for all your data and workflow. It's like your command center. Next up, we'll set up our main tables. Think of these as your project's key elements, like video tasks, team members, or assets. The reason we do this is to have a clear overview of all the parts that make up our workflow. Now that we've done that, it's time to define our fields. Fields are where we store specific information about each item in our tables. This helps us because it allows for detailed tracking and management of every single aspect of our video production process. Let's move on to linking records. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When we link records, it lets us connect related items across different tables, creating a cohesive, interconnected workflow. This is crucial for maintaining a seamless production process. Next, we're going to customize our views. This can range from grid views to calendar views, right through to Kanban views. The reason we do this is to visualize our workflow in the best way that suits our needs and preferences. All right, now that we've reached this point, it's time for the final step, automations. Automations help us by performing routine tasks automatically, saving us time and reducing the risk of errors. Let me explain why this matters. When you're knee-deep in production, every second counts. Automations ensure that your workflow keeps moving smoothly, even when you're busy with other tasks. And there you have it. You've just built a video production workflow in Airtable. Keep practicing these steps, and before you know it, you'll be managing your video projects like a pro. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.